If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Although newer versions of Acrobat Reader let users save filled-in PDF forms, older versions of Reader did not. For this reason, it can help to enable PDF forms you create in Acrobat, so users can fill in and save PDF forms if using older versions of Reader. Enabling forms lets users add a digital signature to a form and enables other useful tools for digitally completing a form. To enable a PDF form for users in Acrobat, open the PDF form in Acrobat, and to help ensure you won't need to overwrite the enabled version later, make sure it includes all the editing changes you want. Then click the hamburger menu button, roll down to the Save as Other command, slide over to the Reader Extended PDF command in the side menu, and then click the Enable More Tools Includes Form Fill-In and Save command from the last side menu. Read the information in the dialog box that opens, and then click the Save Now button to continue. Since you cannot edit enabled forms after saving them, keep a backup copy of any PDF form you saved as an enabled copy so you can edit the original form later if needed. For this reason, it's best to enter a new file name for the enabled PDF into the file name field in the Save As dialog box that then appears. Many users just add the word enabled to the end of the existing form's file name. After naming the enabled PDF, click the Save button to finish. At that point, Acrobat saves the enabled copy of the PDF form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.